Hi everybody, welcome back to Be Creative Studio. Today I want to share with you 3 holiday crafts with plaid or buffalo check patterns. We'll be making a buffalo check Scottie, a plaid truck with gifts, and finally a versatile black and white buffalo check leaping deer that you can use year-round. I just love the plaid pattern for the holidays, so let's get started. When I saw this piece at the Dollar Tree, I knew it was a great canvas for DIY. I go ahead and separate the Scottie from the bottom piece. Then I apply Mod Podge to the wood surface and position the scrap piece of bandana on top. I apply more Mod Podge to the top of the fabric and set the piece aside to dry. Once the glue has dried, I cut off excess fabric around the Scottie. Then I make cuts along the border, especially around a curve or turn, so I can fold in the fabric to achieve a clean edge. I repeat the process of folding in the fabric and gluing it down with Mod Podge. I do this all around the piece. Here's the newly decoupaged buffalo check Scottish Terrier. I cover up the mess in the back with some scrapbook paper. Then I use some green letter stickers from Target Dollar Spot to spell out the word wolf. I apply some Mod Podge to the letters to make sure that they stay put. To make the stand for my tabletop Scottie, I paint 4 Jenga pieces from the Dollar Tree with Waverly chalk paint in elephant. Then I apply hot glue and Beacon Fabri-Tac permanent adhesive to each side of the legs and attach my Jenga pieces. I fasten a cute ribbon with a bell to my Scottie to complete the look. I love how adorable this buffalo check Scottish Terrier turned out. The second DIY is transforming this popular Dollar Tree red truck into a plaid truck with gifts. I go ahead and remove everything I can from the truck, including sanding off the Merry Christmas glitter. To make over the truck, I'll be decoupaging this green plaid fabric from the Dollar Tree. Parts of the MDF board came off when I was removing parts of the truck. I fixed that by smoothing on some plastic wood to fill in the gaps. I apply Mod Podge to the truck, Then I lay my fabric on top and apply more Mod Podge. I do this to the whole truck and set it aside to dry. Once the piece has dried, I go ahead and make cuts along the edge of my truck, like what I did for the Scottie. I fold in the fabric along the curves and turns of the outline of the truck and glue it down with Mod Podge. I repeat the same process to open up the window. I really am liking the look of this plaid truck. Time to decorate. I reattach the red wood pieces above the tires for a pop of color. I'm also using part of a sled from a Dollar Tree ornament that I took apart for a previous project. The brown railing adds to the rustic look and fits perfectly in the space. I create the word joy using some Dollar Tree wooden letters painted in the color elephant. Then I made some presents with some scrap cardboard, plaid fabric, and twine. I make a hanger with a piece of twine. To embellish the presents, I add a bow, some berries, and greenery. What a cute transformation from the traditional red truck. I love this plaid truck and presents. For our last DIY, we'll be making this black and white buffalo check leaping deer that you can use and customize season after season. Dollar Tree carries this deer sign during the holidays consistently. I thought it might be nice to give it a makeover. I cut off the antlers and apply a coat of white chalk paint. I'll be using this black and white bandana from Michaels that I got on clearance a while back. I apply a coat of Mod Podge to the deer and lay the fabric on top, then apply more Mod Podge once I have the fabric where I want it. While that is drying, I prepare the stick that I'm going to use to hold up the deer in my planter. I glue 2 sticks that I have at hand and reinforce it with a Jenga piece. Then I paint it with white chalk paint and let it dry. So as I did with the Scottie and the Plaid Truck, once the deer has dried, I make cuts along the border, around curves and turns, so I can fold in the excess fabric to get a clean edge. I pull in the fabric and press it down with Mod Podge. I'm totally loving how this buffalo check leaping deer is taking shape. I cover up the back with some brown paper to get a neater look. I'll be using the letters from Target Dollar Spot to spell out the word welcome, swapping out a cute white berry wreath I made for the letter O. For his antlers, I am attaching a willow branch with some hot glue. Aileen's tacky glue from the Dollar Tree works the best in attaching these letters. I attached the painted stick to the deer with Dollar Tree wood glue and hot glue. While that's drying, I fold a piece of black watch plaid ribbon to make a scarf. The wire in the ribbon helps the scarf to stand up and achieve a wind-blown effect. My black and white buffalo check holiday deer is coming along nicely. I go ahead and decorate the stick with satin red ribbon and Dollar Tree wired garland ties. I use a styrofoam square as the base and put it in the planter. I put in 2 rocks from the garden to add weight and stability. Then I cover up the planter with some Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree. Well, there you have it. 3 super cute buffalo check crafts for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one is your favorite. I want to wish everyone a happy and safe holiday season. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.